Here's a great deal on a 2010 Toyota Yaris. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, tilt steering wheel, and much more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.